Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Accord headlight bulb. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a 10mm wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a clip remover tool. Most importantly, make sure you have the correct replacement bulb for your specific Honda Accord model. Wearing clean gloves is also a good idea to prevent oils from your skin from touching the new bulb's glass. Now, let's get to accessing the bulb. Begin by parking your Honda Accord on a level surface and opening the hood. For the driver's side headlight, you might find it easier to remove the car battery to create more working room. Alternatively, for either side, you can turn the steering wheel inward and remove a few fasteners from the wheel well liner to reach the bulb from underneath. With access gained, it's time for the replacement. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb by pressing its retaining tab and pulling it off. Next, gently twist the bulb socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn and pull the old bulb straight out. When installing the new bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass with your bare fingers, as oils can cause premature failure. Insert the new bulb, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. You're almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to the base of your new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Now, reassemble any components you removed, like the battery or the fender well liner, making sure all fasteners are tight. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working. If needed, you can adjust the headlight aim to ensure proper illumination on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.